Greetings! Simple cooking made simple with Carolina Chef. Today we are making dirty chicken. Not dirty chicken, it's dirty city chicken. It's a nice chicken salad with fresh fruits, fried chicken breast with mandarin oranges, raisins, spring mix, fresh pineapple, strawberries, and Ken's honey mustard dressing that we heated up to release all those extra flavors. So let's get ready to play. I have 2 chicken breasts that I've marinated in buttermilk and a spicy sweet pickle juice overnight. And then the breading for the chicken has pepper, garlic, chili powder, seasoning salt, smoked paprika, and some Hidden Valley Ranch mix. So let's get these breaded and get these in the oil so they can start frying up. And I know it might be a little weird that I'm wearing gloves, but keep my hands clean. So these are a good size breast that we're using. So they'll take probably about 20 minutes to fry up. But with having them in the pickle juice and the buttermilk overnight, kind of helps tenderize them up a little bit. But you want to make sure you get the flour and all the creases so that the braiding is good to go. And we've already preheated our oil to 275. So we'll get this other one breaded, and I'll have the spices listed here in a little bit so you guys know exactly what spices I use for this. And then we'll let these cook for probably 5-6 minutes, and then we will flip it. But in the meantime, we have some Ken's honey mustard in our little sauce pot here. We're heating it up for the salad dressing. And the reason we heat it up is because it releases more flavor, and it actually changes the flavor of the honey mustard. But Ken's has a really good honey mustard dressing that is very, very tasty. So let's start getting our salad plated up. So we have a mix of spring mix that we'll use for our salad. We'll put that on our plate. You can put as much as you want. If you like a lot of salad, throw it on there. This is just a real nice mix that I like. It's colorful, looks good, has some spinach in it and some arugula and some other green leafies in there. So we're going to take some, these are actually canned mandarin oranges. We're just going to put a few of those here. And I used to make this, I've made this salad since I was 16. I won't tell you how long because then I'll tell you my age, but this salad, I really enjoy it, especially in the summer. And we're getting right close to those summer months. But you'll really enjoy this salad. It's a good fruity salad. So now we're going to take, I'm going to show you guys how to cut up your pineapple. This pineapple could be a little rougher, but it does smell good, so it's still going to be sweet. So I just trimmed the edges off. You want to make sure, I usually start right here at the notches, so I'm not getting that rough stuff in there. And then I'm just kind of going down each side with small little increments so you don't lose as much. And I'm going to make these in half moons, and we'll take out the core. So we'll set this to the side. We'll cut this in half. We'll set that one there. And then we're just going to go at an angle with a core and go down. And that comes out real nice. And you're just going to cut it in little slices. And then place your pineapple. And then I'm going to leave the tops on just because it looks prettier. And just cover up those little angles. So then you have a nice, beautiful salad. Well, I'll cut the top off that one. Let's try this again. So now you have this beautiful plate with salad and fruit. And then we will wait till our chicken gets to 165 degrees. cut it up, put it on top, and then put some of the warm honey mustard dressing. So our fried chicken has reached 165, actually it got to 173. We're gonna slice this up, add it to our salad, our honey mustard dressing. It's actually a little darker now since we've heated it up and it's released all those extra flavors. Just heating this up brings so much more flavor to an already good honey mustard dressing from Ken's. We'll slice this up and you can see it's very, very hot. Put that on your salad. It's nice and juicy. And then we will take the honey mustard dressing and just pour over. And now you have a beautiful warm salad that you could eat in the wintertime, the summertime. It's very, very good. I really enjoy this one, especially for a salad. But it looks great. So if you want to have your friends and family, this is an easy salad to make. It's called Derby City Chicken. You can do chicken breast, you can do chicken tenders, you can even do nuggets, depending on your time. So if you're doing tenders, it's gonna cook a lot faster than the breast did. But thanks for joining us today. We'll have all the ingredients used throughout the video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying these videos. Let us know how we're doing. Give us some comments. You can send me an email. Email is connected on my YouTube page. Make sure you do the 3 S's, smash that like button, subscribe, share with your family and friends. And thanks for joining us today. God bless.